E-commerce business owners can make money without ever seeing their inventory, which has its pros and cons. It's easy to import products from China, coordinate with suppliers, and manage everything remotely. However, there's a risk. Your inventory might get stuck in a warehouse and not reach customers. On Amazon, this problem is known as stranded inventory. Hello everyone, I'm Ankita Patil, Product Evangelist at SellerApp, and today I'll talk about what is stranded inventory on Amazon and how to fix it. Well, here's a quick overview of topics we are covering in this video. Before we begin, if you find this video helpful, click the like button below and subscribe to SellerApp so you don't miss out on more exciting Amazon selling tutorials in the future. And don't forget to follow us on our social media channels for more helpful content. Let's get started. Amazon stranded inventory is one of the 4 key factors that affect your FBA inventory performance. It includes items that are in Amazon's warehouses but can't be sold because their listings are inactive, missing, or incomplete. This inventory still incurs storage costs and takes up space, potentially lowering your inventory performance index score and affecting your storage limits. To avoid this, you need to monitor your inventory closely and move it through Amazon's warehouses quickly. Finding and managing stranded inventory on Amazon involves using the Amazon Seller Central dashboard. So follow these steps. Firstly, log in to your Amazon Seller Central account. Go to the Inventory tab on the main dashboard. Select Manage All Inventory from the drop-down menu. In the Manage Inventory section, click on the FBA inventory link to access the inventory dashboard. Locate the standard inventory section in the dashboard. Click on the number or link to view details. The stranded inventory page will list all stranded items and the reasons for their status, such as pricing errors, listing errors, or ASIN restrictions. Each item will have an explanation and a recommended action to resolve the issue. By following these steps, you can effectively manage your stranded inventory and maintain a healthy IPI score. Fixing stranded inventory on Amazon involves different strategies based on the specific issue. Sometimes you might need to remove the inventory and release the product with new stock. Other times you may need to file a case and contact seller support. Depending on the scenario, the approach can vary. Let's outline the basic procedure for fixing stranded inventory through your Seller Central dashboard. You'll receive an email or performance notification about stranded inventory. You can also check for stranded inventory directly on the Seller Central. Go to the stranded inventory section from your Seller Central dashboard. If you have stranded inventory, a Fix Stranded Inventory tab will appear on the horizontal menu bar. Click on it. The page will show the ASIN or SKU for the stranded stock, along with details like SKU, ASIN, or FN SKU, and the stranded reason column. The last drop-down column will show actions you can take to resolve the stranded inventory. For example, if the stranded reason is a listing error, the suggested solution might be to create a removal order to relist the product after fixing the issue. If no other options are available to fix the stranded inventory, you can contact the seller support team for further assistance. So this step-by-step approach will help you manage and resolve the stranded inventory issues effectively, ensuring your products are available for sale and minimizing unnecessary storage costs. Moving on to how to fix Amazon stranded inventory due to listing errors, go to the stranded inventory page and find items with listing errors. The stranded reason column will explain why the inventory is stranded. Hover over it for more details. Click Edit next to the stranded item to go to the product listing page. Check and update the product information. Common issues include incorrect or missing the details in the title, description, bullet points, images, or specifications. Make sure all your required fields are accurately filled. Make sure the listing meets Amazon's guidelines and policies, including correct categorization and complaint images. After fixing the listing errors, save your changes. If the listing was suppressed due to a policy violation, resubmit it for Amazon's review following any prompts or instructions. Check the Manage Inventory section to ensure the listing becomes active again. Watch your email and performance notifications in Seller Central for further updates or actions required. By following these steps, you can fix listing errors causing stranded inventory, ensuring your products are correctly listed and available for sale. This helps maintain the visibility and salability of your inventory on Amazon. And also, let's look into how to prevent Amazon stranded inventory. So managing stranded inventory can be challenging, but you can take proactive steps to prevent it. Firstly, research before listing and sending inventory. Ensure you have permission to sell specific products, especially for arbitrage or wholesale. Verify if you need approval to sell in category or brand. Ensure accurate FBA shipments. Create a precise shipping plan before sending products to FBA warehouses. Stranded inventory can occur if you send items not included in the plan or if the received inventory exceeds the stated quantity. Double check all the shipping information. Complete listing information. Use tools like SellerApp's product description editor to create professional and complete product listings. Incomplete listings can lead to stranded inventory. Ensure your listing is fully completed before sending inventory to FBA warehouses. Price products correctly. Set your product prices within Amazon's minimum and maximum price settings. If your price is outside these limits, Amazon will disable your listing, causing stranded inventory. Avoid immediate deletion of offers or listings. If you run out of stock, avoiding deleting your offer or listing immediately. Deleting can result in lost inventory or returns being marked as stranded. Keep offers or listings active to prevent this issue. By following these steps, you can minimize the risk of stranded inventory, ensuring smooth operations and better inventory management on Amazon. So take control of your inventory. Selling on Amazon requires regular maintenance to keep your account and inventory performing well. Make it a habit to check for inactive or stranded inventory for a few times in a month. Don't let your profits sit inactive in Amazon's warehouse. Take action and manage your account actively. If you have any concerns, feel free to contact us at support@sellerapp.com. And that's it for this video, everyone. Thanks for watching. Your support means a lot to us. It encourages us to bring out more helpful videos like this. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to SellerApp. Let us know if you guys want us to create detailed seller guides on any specific topics. You can leave your suggestions in the comment section below and we'll definitely create them for you. And don't forget to follow us on our social media channels for more helpful content. So if you haven't already, click the bell icon so that you will never miss another video. And as always, happy selling!